Hello, my name is Taya and I'm a training specialist at Tom Pitt. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the production document. The goal of this lesson is to learn what is a production document, where to view production documents in the Tom Pitt system, and the importance of having a production document. A production document is crucial in the manufacturing process. It contains details about the items that have been produced, including their quantities, storage locations, and the date and time of production. It serves as an official record confirming that the production has been completed. The document provides traceability by recording the exact date and time of production. This is crucial for quality control, enabling companies to trace back any issues to specific production batches and hold the relevant processes accountable. The production document ensures compliance with many industry regulations by providing a detailed record of production activities, which can be used for audits and monitoring reports. For example, imagine a furniture manufacturing company that produces wooden chairs. Here's how a production document would be useful. The company creates a production order for 100 wooden chairs. Once this order is activated, the production process begins. After the chairs are produced, a production document is generated. This document lists the amount of chairs produced, their location, and date and time of production. If a quality issue arises with a batch of chairs, the production document allows the company to trace back to the exact production run and investigate any anomalies. Now let's see how this works in Tom Pitt. A production document is automatically generated after items on a production order are produced or manually added as outputs. I'm going to open an already existing closed production order for tables. To access production orders, navigate to the production domain, selecting the production orders icon. Choosing the Close tab from the filters on the left, I'm going to open an order for 20 Ashwood tables by clicking on the blue code. A production order will open, and by selecting the Link Documents section, a list of documents connected to the order will appear. Select the production document to inspect it further. At the top, you can see the production code, the location of the produced items, and time and date of documents creation. Scrolling down, there's a list of items produced. The left column contains the item's code and name. Source list specifies material serial number that was used in the process and the location it was taken from. In the created column, there is an exact date and time of the moment that the item was produced. And on the right, the column displays the quantity of items produced. As you can see, some quantities have a minus before them, meaning the item was classified as a loss. This can happen due to multiple reasons, such as damage on the item, a bad piece, and similar causes, resulting in the loss of a product. You can use the search bar at the top of the list to find specific items faster. And with that, we conclude today's lesson on production document. Let's summarize what we've learned in this video. You know now what a production document is, you know where to view production documents in Tom Pitt, and you know the importance of having a document including information about produced items. I hope this video helped, and I will see you in the next lesson.